Well, good morning. A lovely morning on this lovely snow-filled day. What can I say? Welcome to West Michigan. Alright, a few things to talk about. First off, it is the baklava crisis. Things have been getting pretty crazy. And if you want to help, then please call this number. Baklava Aid, 616-723-8969. If you just want to volunteer your time towards the cause or make a donation. Now, on to more serious things. Or less serious things, pardon. Today is Thursday, which means in 6 days I will be back home, and I'm thrilled. The snow is killing me, but what can I expect? Yes. I had so many other things to talk about. Just give me a second. Oh yes, those videos I told you about Sunday, I believe, up on YouTube now. YouTube.com/BozOfTheClown. If you're interested, I would love to hear what you have to say. They're from my production of Les Mis that I did last April. I'd like to thank Judd for taking care of that for me. Yeah. Also, you'd be thrilled to know that I dressed immensely for the weather. 2 pairs of pants. It's very uncomfortable. But I am very warm, so that's very good. Yes. Oh yes, juries are coming up. I'm very excited. I cannot wait to see how I do, how things turn out. I feel very confident. I just can't wait. Yes, I made a musical reference to somebody. See if they can figure out who they are. If not, then hopefully somebody else will figure it out and be like, yo, you made the video. Well, I did do that. Yeah. I will probably be up a bit later to talk some more, because my mind's gone blank. Although I do remember the reason I didn't record yesterday, like I planned on. I was sleeping from 2 in the afternoon to 6:30 this morning. I stayed up all night the night before writing a paper that I've known about for 2.5 months with a few other people. And it was pretty insane. We were probably working for like 10 hours or so. Yeah. It was nuts. It was very fun though. I hate playing an all-nighter. But it was fun. We'll have to do it again sometime. I feel like we will for finals coming up next week. So I'm well rested and ready to celebrate Hanukkah when it starts, which is very soon. I'm very excited for Hanukkah. I have some more of my Jew gold right here to devour after the show. It's gold, as the picture showed. It was silver on Facebook, but what can I say? That's the internet for you, and it is very good Jew gold. I need to go buy some more. Yes, we have to buy our Jew gold, but we get a discount. It's alright. I also get a new roommate next semester. That'll be roommate number 5. Not too bad for my first year. 5 roommates. So, yes. I don't know what just popped up. Give me a second. probably should have taken my iTunes off shuffle. Maybe it'll stop. That was Debbie Does Dallas, the musical. I have never listened to it before, and I think I'm going to have to later. That's better. Much better. I've also stopped recording directly to Facebook because Facebook is being very, very stupid. I don't know if you've all noticed that problem, but it's just not great. And they put this new thing on there. Protect everything you say. That's a dumb feature in my opinion. You know, if you don't want somebody to see what you're doing, then you wouldn't be friends with them. Yeah. I almost said protect your tweets, but it is not Twitter. But it'll be there. It's pretty bad. It's kind of already that way, but it's going to get worse. But this whole new tweet protection thing, did it again. Status update protection. You can actually block certain people from seeing what you're writing. So, you guys can now officially start talking about me on Facebook without me knowing. I'm kind of excited to be like, hey, did you see this person's status update? And I'd be like, why no, I did not. And after stalking your page, it won't be there for me because I'm blocked. That seems kind of cool, I guess. I don't know. We'll find out in the coming weeks. Also, you should all become fans of If Adam West Was My Mayor, Pot Would Be Legal. It's a very noble cause. I might invite you 3 times already. Probably invite you more until you add, because it's so cool. But yes, I also discovered this great new software which lets me record what I'm doing on my computer and send it out to the world. So, I think that's great. I can do all kinds of crazy, spectacular things. You can put music behind it, and you can watch me farm now. That seems splendid. You should all be playing Farmville. I love Farmville. Oh, it's great. But yes, let's go. I have some things to take care of. Yes, once again, Back for the Cause, number 616-723-8969. 69. So, yes. Hope you all have a lovely blizzard-filled day. Wear lots of pants. An awful lot of pants. A plethora of pants, if you will. And have a great day.